Well, what's up, YouTube? So we're gonna deliver this. The one that was wrecked, they got hit a tree with it. We just got it wrapped up. It's been sitting in the garage forever. So since it's golfing weather, we're going to drop it off. But you see the top's all back on it. New uprights, new supports. Had to re-weld the speaker mount, had to re-weld the mirror mount, and then we cleaned it up real good, went over some of the electronics on it. So go ahead and get it unstrapped. Sorry about that, couldn't get it untied with one hand. We went in and dropped the ramp, so we'll go ahead and release these straps. And then, there we go, strap the front. Anybody need a drive shaft for a Freightliner? Or, well, no, that's a Volvo one, sorry. Volvo fell out on the highway. Needs rebuilt. Grab the keys for it. And we're just doing a short video. I haven't really been working on trucks this week, but we'll go ahead and get it unloaded. We did do the custom interior on this one when we had it before. The paint, I don't know if you can kind of see it, it's bright white and it flips to gold. It's got underglow and stuff on it, but it just stays out here in the country club. The key in it. I'm gonna go ahead and back it on off the trailer. Thought we were gonna back it in off the trailer. There we go. This one's all electronic, real touchy. There we go. Take it on a ride around this block real quick before we put it away. Make sure everything's good. Should have flipped the windshield up, a little chilly out today. Stop and turn around. Back. Battery gauge ain't dropping, so we're good. We always complained about the battery gauge acting up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't, but we can't get it to act up. But we did go over some of the electronics that we had it. There's the wrecked service truck. Still haven't fixed that. I haven't had time. Pull up here on this driveway. Key off. Batteries are still on. We'll go ahead and plug this thing in. When we did this, we put this in here. Good to go. Flip the seat up. Charger is on. And then we got to turn both batteries on. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know. Maybe they're full. It's only a 48-volt cart, but usually just charge will run. No, anyway, figure that out another day. He's got this cart that we did a lithium swap on. Right there. This one he actually brought up from Florida. Was going to take it back down, but he left it here. And then we got this cart I had to do a bunch of work on. Old Magix. I think this is a Magix cart. Yeah. Got the touch screen and everything. Pretty fast cart. But that's going to wrap it up. I'm going to get the trailer, go drop the trailer off, clock this up, and then get on out of here. Everybody have a good day, and then I'll try to find the original video where it was wrecked and add that into this one somewhere. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. My customer called, said stop by the country club and pick up his golf cart. We restored this one probably last year. Brought it back to him. His grandkid was driving it. Ran into a tree. Or hit the tree on the roof. Really don't know what happened yet, but he called, said he wants it fixed. So we'll get it all fixed up and get it dropped back off. Just sucks we put a lot of time into this one.